Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Muhammad Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a mathematics class for the student of class nursery. My dear students, today's topic is counting, part 1. We will count today from your book. Your lecture number is 21. My dear students, you have no homework, but you need to practice, keep practice at home more. Today, my dear students, we will learn from your Maths Avenue book, Primer A. Okay, this is your textbook for class nursery. We will learn today only 4 pages from this book, only 4 pages. The page numbers are 29, 32, 45 and 47. These 4 pages we will learn today, inshallah. And my dear students, you must practice from page number 23 to 62 for the half yearly examination. Okay, now look, we will learn today what? Counting, my dear students, counting. Now look at the page number 29. Open your book and go to page number 29. This is your page number 29. Okay, and there are a boy and a girl here. Okay, they are talking to each other. They're talking about how many. This is what? This is eye. How many eye do you have? How many eye do you have? Look, count it. 1, 2. That means you have 2 eyes. Okay, that means you should write down in this blank 2, and you know how to write down 2. It is 2. Okay, now how many eyes do you have? You have 2 eyes. Okay, now again, my dear students, the next line is how many ears. This is the picture of ear. How many ear do you have? Now look at me. How many ear do you have? It's 1, 2. That means you have 2 ears. Okay, so you should write down here in the blank also 2. Okay, and the next one is how many nose. This is the picture of nose. How many nose do you have? How many nose do you have? Look at me. It's only 1 nose we have, right? So we should write down 1 in this blank. Okay, 1, my dear students. We have only 1 nose. Now how many finger? There are a hand is given. Okay, and the finger we need to count out. And do you have? How many finger do you have? That means in only 1 hand. In only 1 hand's picture is given here. Okay, now count the picture, count the fingers. How many fingers are there in the picture? In 1 hand. Okay, only it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means we have 5 fingers in our 1 hand. Again, count. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My dear students, we have 5 fingers in 1 hand. So write down here 5 in this box. How many fingers do you have? We have 5 fingers. Okay, dear students. Now we have 2 questions is remaining here. The picture is so blurry. I'm really sorry for that. It's the picture of tongue. Okay, how many tongue do you have? Look, only we have 1 tongue. Only 1. So only 1 tongue we have. So you should write down 1 here. Okay, how many tongue do you have? You have 1 tongue. Okay, now my dear students, how many? This is legs. How many legs do you have? How many legs we have? We have 2 legs. We have 2 hands. We have 2 legs. So you should write down 2 here in this blank. Okay, now after finishing this one, go to page number 32. Everyone open page number 32 on your book, Maths Avenue, Primer A. Okay, and look at this picture. In the top, count and circle correct number. Count and circle the correct number. That means we have some pictures here and we need to count. How many cups are there? We have to circle that one. Okay, how many dolls are there? We need to circle that one. Like this one, look, how many cups are there? There are 1, 2. That means there are 2 cups. So here are given 2, 3, 1. How many cups? There are 2 cups. So we should circle this 2 here. Okay, we should circle this 2 here. Okay, circle 2. That means we have 2 cups there. Okay, and after that we have a doll here, right? It's a doll. How many doll? It's only 1 doll. 1. So we should circle 1 in this line. Okay, we should circle 1 because in this line we have 1 doll. Now it's a picture of coconut. It's a picture of coconut. Now how many coconuts are there? It's 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 coconuts. That's why we should circle 3 here. Okay, this 3 we should circle. After that, we have the picture of box. How many boxes are there? There are 1, 2. There are only 2 boxes. So we should circle 2 in this line. Okay, in this row we should circle 2 here. Okay, because there are 2 boxes. And the last picture is the pencils picture. It's how many pencils? It's 1, 2, 3. There are 3 pencils. So we should circle 3 in this row. Okay, this 3 should be circled. It's 3 pencils. Now I think you have finished the 32 page. Okay, now we will solve page number 45. Go to page number 45, my dear students. Now what is this telling? This is about 6. Okay, this is about 6. We need to count here. Okay, how many make the number 6? Now look, it is the cone ice cream. It is what? It's cone ice cream. How many cone ice creams are there? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 cone ice cream. You can count it like this way. You can cut it. It's 1, it's 2, it's 3, then 4, then 5, and then 6. So there are how many cone ice creams there? There are 6 cone ice cream. Okay, and there are count. We need to instruction that count and say 6. How many hats are there? We need to count. Okay, so count it by this way. It's 1 hat, 2 hat, 3 hat, 4 hat, 5 hat. It's 6 hats. Okay, so how many hats are there? There are 6 hats. Here is written down already 6 hats. And how many cupcakes there? There, look, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 cupcakes there. Now dear students, look at this question. This is very important. Tick the blank with 6 things. Tick the blank with 6 things. That means in which blank we need to tick. From these 3 blank we need to tick upon 6. Which blank has 6 things? Now count. Here are orange picture. How many orange are there? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 orange. So we can't tick this box. Okay, we need to tick on 6 things. Now there are the picture of olive. Okay, so how many olives are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4. That means there are 4 olives. That's why we can't tick here also. Now count the papaya. There is the picture of papaya. Okay, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, we have got it. That means there are 6 papayas here. So we should tick on this blank. Okay, we should tick like this one. Okay, we should tick this blank. This is our work. Now we should, if I have finished your page number 45, then go to the page number 47. Now we'll solve page number 47, my dear students. Okay, there are 7. There is the number 7. We should count the things here. There are butterflies. How many butterflies are there? Count it. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That means there are 7 butterflies, and 7 is like this way. Okay, now there are 7 fishes here. There are 7 dolls here also. You can count by yourself. Okay, now the question is, the most important question is, tick the blank with 7 things. In the previous page we discussed about tick the blank with 6 things. Now we need to tick the blank with 7 things. So how many are there leaves, how many are umbrellas, and how many are the boards? We need to count. Then which thing will be 7? That box will be tick mark. Okay, now count the leaves. How many leaves are there? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 leaves. That means we can't tick this box because this is only 5. We need to count up to 7. Okay, now count the umbrellas. How many umbrellas are there? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means we got it. We need to tick on umbrella. Okay, here we should tick this blank because umbrellas are 7. Now count the boat. Okay, how many boats are there? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 boards, so we can't tick on this blank. Okay, I hope you have understood, my dear students. Only 4 pages we have done here. Page number 29, page number 32, page number 45 and page number 47. But you need to practice at home from page number 23 to page number 62 for the half yearly examination, my dear students. Please keep practicing home again and again, okay? See you again inshallah with the counting part 2. Till then, Allah Hafiz.